Hi guys, this is just a short update to show you what I use to keep my DJI Mini 3 Pro cool. It's a 3D printed fan and it keeps it cool when I'm updating. I'll run it off this power bank and there we are. You just see the fan there, and that keeps it really cool. And everything's fine while I'm doing my updates. So, like I said, it's 3D printed. There's my information there, and hope you found it useful. Always helps because I notice it does get overheats quite a lot, and I hope this is well, perhaps you could build one too. Thanks for watching. Bye.